Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to share files from Google Drive using your cell phone. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, I have already opened up the Google Drive application in my mobile device. In case you have not, open it right now and sign in to your account. Now let's just say I want to share this new folder with my colleague or friend. On the top right, associated with this folder, you will find these three dots. Simply click on it. And from here, as you can see, lots of things opened up. Well, from here, let us simply hit on share. Simply click on it. Well, currently, the sharing mode is in restricted. I want to share this folder only with restricted people. So I'm gonna enter the email address right here. As you can see, I have entered the email address. Now I can assign them roles. I'm just gonna click on this button right here that says editor. Now at the bottom, you can see the few permissions that you can give to the person, like viewer, commenter or editor. Well, it is up to you. Simply select the one you choose and hit on send. In case you want to add more members, click on this plus icon right here. Right now, I'm just gonna click on send. And as you can see, that is how we share a folder or a file in Google Drive using the cell phone. It is quite easy, more secure and fast. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.